Today we learn about.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Say hi teacher. Say.
Hi teacher.
See there. Hi teacher.
Hi teacher.
Okay, good girl.
Wow. I got so many they want.
What is it? What is it? You got so many what? Now.
I hope they want.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
What's my favorite tadi? Butterfly.
Menghilang. Tenggelam dia. Oh. Okay.
Kak dulu. Satu ruang tu kak.
Mana dia? Mana dia? Cari. Ada lagi ke tidak? Mana dia? What is this? What is this? Lain yang dicari, lain yang timbul itu. Apa itu? Apa nih? Beketul sudah dia. Oh, ya butterfly got tenggelam. Got missing. Okay. Can we start? Can we
Yeah.
start? Okay. Can you tell teacher what is this?
Sun.
Sun. Okay, good. Sun start with S.
S.
Okay. This is letter.
S.
Okay, S. Okay. Can we say? Can we spell sun together?
S.
That is for sun. Okay. We spell the sun first. Okay. You know how to spell the sun?
Yes.
Okay. S
S.
U
U.
N.
N.
Sun.
Sun.
Good girl. The sound of S is. Okay. We repeat together. Okay.
Okay.
Sun.
Sun.
Okay. Good. What color is the sun? What color is sun?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good. High five. My favorite. Okay. So sun is start with S.
Yes.
Okay. Today, so we have.
Ada bunyi lah. Pop.
Apa tuh? Itu mesti butterfly yang tenggelam tuh kan? Ya.
What is that?
I don't know. What is that?
This one.
Which one? Oh. Is it the butterfly?
What the bathroom?
Okay. You want to color the sun?
Yes.
Okay. You know the sun color, right?
Yes.
Okay. You must color what? Yellow,
Yeah.
orange, or what?
Orange.
No. The sun. What color of the sun? Yeah. Yellow.
Yellow.
Okay. Take your that one. Can you take your this one Can you take your color yellow? Oh. Do you have the sharpener?
Yes.
Okay, go take your sharpener. Go.
Ada sharpener kak? Thanks.
You want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay. You can sit at your place first.
Okay.
Why the color is this like this? Okay. Color the sun first. Okay. This one. You see the sun is smile.
Color.
Yes. Color. You know the song, the wheels on the bus go round and round. You know the song?
Yes.
Blackpink in the area. You know? You know? Ooh. Okay, good. Oh, you love the Blackpink, huh?
Hey, why yellow? Why so yellow?
Of course, because the sun is yellow. Did you ever see the sun got green, meh?
Yes.
No. Sun is only yellow. Okay?
What are you doing?
I'm see the way you color the sun, and I'm teach you the sound of the S. S is
Sun.
good. What else does start with S? Snack. Is it? Do you have snack?
This one.
Which one?
This one.
Eh?
In the world.
Oh, got what is that? Worm. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. But worm is not start from S.
It's not the by the leg.
Oh, that is snake. What is that? Okay, color. You want me to sharp again? Okay. Tomorrow you go school. Ada yellow dan keluar dia punya tu.
He make up.
The pony got makeup, meh? Where's?
Warna pink.
Blusher ke apa?
Blusher.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Come. Never mind. That's broke. Hey. This yellow one, the one to got sharp, huh? You see? So, ayo. Can we? Wait. Okay.
I thought you wanna this one.
If you want to color that one, boleh? Okay, sure. Buat lengoh, ha? Your hand lengoh, okay. Do like this. Okay. Tarik nafas.
Tabang.
Okay, tarik nafas. Hembus. Okay, tarik nafas. Hembus. Okay, good. Okay. You want to start again?
No one.
No one?
can color this one.
Yes, you can. If you want, you can use the other color.
This one.
Okay.
Macam itu. Bukanlah. Lilit poni.
Tiba-tiba ada warna merah sana. Yeay.
Yay!
Yay. Okay. Can you give yourself clap? Can you clap for yourself? Good. Okay. Last, huh? Okay. What letter is this?
S.
S. S for
Sun.
sun. What the sound of the sun? I'm sorry, my teacher mistake. What sound of S? Okay. Okay. Put together. Sun.
Sun.
Good. Can you high five the teacher? Okay. Say bye bye. Show this one. Show this one. Yay. Okay, high five. You good. You do the good job. Oh, go the butterfly.